The Nepata UA1650 ADWS converting center was developed for processing sine vinyl and pressure sensitive films, as well as a variety of other films and media up to a width of 165 centimeters or 65 inch for rewinding and 190 centimeters or 75 inch for slitting. It is used by wholesale and distribution centers around the world to convert a wide range of different types of films and media. The UA1650 ADWS accurately and quickly measures film rolls with a maximum diameter of 400 millimeters or 16 inch at the master roll and a diameter of 280 millimeters or 11 inch for rewound rolls. Our converting center has a rewind speed of 1.5 meters per second and allows the operator to slit the material immediately after rewinding. When combined with Convert+2, our converting control software, operators can experience over a 40% increase in productivity, 99.9% accurate rewinds, lot number tracking, and professional inventory control, which reduces shipping errors, eliminates roll length errors, and increases profits. I now will show you how our converting center is actually operated. Typically, an operator comes to the machine with a stack of delivery nodes with jobs to convert for customers. There are several ways to get this converting job information into our Convert+2 software. The first way is to select the items manually from a previously imported product database and manually edit them. A far better method is to scan items from the picking nodes by scanning these codes here that can be either 2D codes or barcodes that need to be added to the printing layout of your ERP template for the delivery node. These codes simply contain the product code and the target length of each roll. You can scan one or several picking nodes into one big job list. In the preview window, additional information may be added, for example, information to slit rolls into pieces. In our example, we say the customer ordered a 61 centimeter roll, which we need to convert down from a full width material of 122 centimeters. One of these 61 centimeter rolls is sold and one will go back to the warehouse. Convert+2 makes sure that both rolls will receive the correct labels with the correct product codes for the target width of 61 centimeters. After we created the pending job queue, the first material is selected from the warehouse and loaded at the bottom mandrel of the machine. The operator now scans the label on this roll to confirm that at least one item in the pending job queue matches this kind of material. More than one matches will be stacked together automatically, no matter if they come from one delivery node or from different delivery nodes. In our example, we now have two 5-meter rolls to convert one after the other. I now need to simply load a paper core and then I can start inserting the film for the first rewind job. The film is moved up to the attaching position. And just after seconds we can start the actual rewind. The automatic cross cutter cuts off the material, and we will receive a label for our customer saying that this is a 5-meter roll of the specific material. We now remove this first roll and continue by loading on a second paper core. After this second rewind, we will receive 2 labels because we previously added the slitting information to cut this roll into 2 61 centimeter rolls. And because this is the last item we have, or the last roll we produced from this material, we will receive a master roll label that gives us the information that 18 meters are left on this roll, and we can unload it. And now use the slitting head to first we check on the right edge of the material, and then we go to the point where we just cut 61 centimeters from left and 61 centimeters from the right. So right in the middle. When we start the slitting, the head is automatically blocked. We simply slit the material and unload these rolls. There is another way of getting the converting job data into Convert+2 software, which is a direct orders import of electronic picking notes that are transferred into Convert+2 through a hot folder by text or CSV files. In this case, the whole order will be already imported once the operator comes to the machine with his printed delivery note, and he just can select the order and see the preview list of jobs where he can edit information and then also create a production queue out of this information. Our slitting unit features an optional built-in lubrication system where felt pads on both sides of the slitting blade are pressing against the blade. Those felt pads get flushed with silicone oil or any other lubricant you might want to use by means of an electric pump. The silicone will then be transferred onto the blade while the blade is spinning, so it continuously wets the blade while cutting material like, for example, application tape. So there is no need of spraying silicone lubricant from a spray can or using any other dangerous method of applying lubricant to your blade. It's very cost efficient, safe to operate, and special about our slitting system is also that, in contrary to other slitting systems on the market, we do not drive this whole slitting shaft, but we only drive the chuck on the left side, which means after we slit through a material, the blade and the slitting sleeves will just remain still, and there's no cutting force between the blade and the slitting sleeves. That means with the Nepata slitting system, the slitting sleeves as well as the blade last much longer because there is no cutting from the blade into those slitting sleeves while cutting through material rolls. When the Nepata UA1650 ADWS converting center is combined with our Convert Plus 2 converting control software, it is the perfect solution for all kinds of manufacturers, distributors and resellers of various types of films and media. Increase your productivity and profits today with Nepata converting equipment, made in Germany with the highest quality standards to support your success.